close the door.
The cat, it's so cute. Oh. Hello, cats. Oh,
She's getting nervous already.
it's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. It's okay. You be good girl, okay? No, it's okay. Look at the cats looking at me. What are you doing? Hello, cats. You want to sit down? Daisy. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, look at that. She smell. Meow. Look at that. Meow.
Oh, you like attention, huh? No, you get down. You stay.
Oh, don't do that, my love. She want attention
Well, I
too.
don't know how she'll be with cats.
But she smell the tail. She's okay for that. Baby. Oh, look at that.
Holy cow, she's comfortable.
Oh, baby. Oh, don't be jealous. Look.
Alrighty, if we wanted to get Miss Daisy up on the scale,
Okay.
Oh, background. You have checkup today, okay? Daisy, it's okay. It's fine, okay? You need to check up, baby. Okay? No, mama. I don't like check up. You do. Hi.